Alright, Billings BMX Riders here, and this is my bike check of my 2016 Kink Curb. Alright, well, to start it off, I'll tell you what all came on the bike. I got the high tensile Kink curb frame. I got the Triumph Mission cranks. I got these Mission X7 single walled rims front and back. I got that's really all that's I got the Mission top load stem. Those are really all the only things I kept on the bike. Or no, I guess I got my my Kink forks. I have the Mission Cypher 25 tooth sprocket. What I've added on the bike is a Mission Impulse PC pedals. I got the Rant 4-piece chrome bars, 8.75. I got the United Direct tire, 3.35 above caps. Got the Haro 3.4 tan wall. I got the Kink pivotal seat post. And yeah, that's really it. The bike when I got it was 27 pounds. And after I threw on some different tires, I went with some red ones, but then a little too much color, so I traded them out for some other tires, and now I think it looks a lot better. And the bike's about 25 pounds now, a little more, like 25.2, something like that. But it's a really good bike, so if you're looking for just a nice bike to start out with, I'd really recommend this one. It's a good size, it's a good weight, it's really just a really good bike, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and favorite to all of our other videos. I'll have an unboxing for new parts coming in about a week. Yeah, thanks guys.